Why you shouldn't throw away crowns of pineapples. Pineapple is usually one of the first fruits that comes to mind when thinking about tropical fruits. It's a popular snack on warm summer days, and a delicious piece of sweet pineapple can bring joy to people. The plant used to be found only in South America, but today it grows in various greenhouses and tropical plantations around the world. And did you know that you can make a very healthy drink from the peel? You don't have to throw away the crown of leaves either. What to do with the leaves? Okay. First thing you need to do is twist off the leaves of a fresh pineapple. You don't need a lot of strength to do this, it's very easy. Then peel off the bottom 3 or 4 rows of leaves to reveal the middle. Curious why you should do this? Continue watching video. Let them dry. Now you can let the crown dry. Just leave them for 2 days and you are ready for the next step. Next, take a pot of soil and plant the top part of the pineapple. It's very simple. Simply twist the crown into the ground, like a screw. Be careful though. The next step is then to water your new plant from above every 4 to 5 days. After a short time, the leaves will begin to grow outwards. And one day you will notice that a stalk is growing out of the middle of the plant. What happens next is absolutely fascinating. A new pineapple will start growing. It starts small and gradually gets bigger. So if you want to have a cool pineapple plant at home, don't throw away the crown. Plant it instead and grow your own pineapple.